Oh, you love your cat, or your cat loves you. And your cat comes on your bed just to sit with you. Your cat needs your pillow on your bed. And your skunk plushie. There. Your cat stares at you from afar. Sleepy. When your cat finds any cozy place on your bed. Cat gives you the lovey eyes. La mama. When you kiss your cat. Cat kisses you. When you don't care, your cat just nodded up your cheek. You can sleep with your cat. Come. Or your cat sleeps with you. And finally, when you could just love your little kitty as much as they love you. Little sleepy. You happy? Look at the happiness. And when someone else wants to join you who's also a kitty. Ah, cats. You gotta love them.